Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. The best way to use voicemail is not to use voicemail, and here's why. You're already using at least 3 other forms of communication as your main channels: email, text, and likely some other messaging app, whether that's WhatsApp, Signal, or something else. Then there's all the secondary channels that you're getting message from: LinkedIn, Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook Messenger, and we might add in communication platforms from work like Slack, Teams, or some other internal communication app. It's crazy. And if we're being completely frank, phone calls are inefficient. You don't want to be rude, so you have all the pleasantries at the beginning of the call, then the point of the call that isn't always delivered in a direct way. Then you might get off track, and before you know it, you've been on the phone for 25 minutes. Let's get back to voicemail. Most phones will transcribe the call for you, which allows you to read and respond in the channel of your choice, not necessarily a call. I don't know about you, but I don't even want to check another communication platform. So in my voicemail, I tell people right up front, thanks for calling. Your message is important to me. I don't check voicemail. Please email or text me. If you do this, it will funnel all your messages into the communication channel of your choice. And here's the thing, killing the use of voicemail isn't new. In 2014, Coca-Cola scrapped voicemail for employees in a move designed to, you guessed it, increase productivity. JP Morgan Chase filed suit in 2015, stripping the service from its consumer bank workers. Eliminate your voicemail messages, and not only will you be more productive, but you'll feel less stress from having to check yet one more communication app. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.